Dividing fractions. This video is just going to show you how to actually divide fractions. It's not going to show you the reasons about why the method works. I'm literally going to show you exactly how to carry it out. Now before you do dividing fractions, it's really important that you watch the video on multiplying fractions, because you are going to require that skill when dividing fractions. We're going to do 2/3 divided by 3/7. And when you're dividing by a fraction, what you do is you flip the second fraction. So we're going to flip 3/7 round to make 7/3. And instead of dividing the fractions, we're going to times the two fractions together. And from the video on multiplying fractions, you should know that you just multiply the tops together. 2 times 7, which is 14, and 3 times 3, which is 9. Now this is a top heavy fraction, so really we might want to convert this back to a mixed fraction. So how many 9s go into 14? Well, that's 1, and between 9 and 14 there's 5 left over, so 1 and 5 9s. So what you do when you're dividing fractions is you flip the second fraction and times them together. So 5/6 divided by 5/8, you're going to flip the 5/8 round to make 8/5. And instead of dividing the two fractions, you're going to times them together. So 5/6 times 8/5. And remember, when you're multiplying fractions, you times the tops together, which is 40 over 30, which you could divide by 10 at this point to make 4/3. And then that is the same as 1 and 1/3. So remember, to divide fractions, you flip the second fraction and you multiply them together. I'm sure in lesson your teacher will go through with you why this method works, but you just flip the second fraction and times them together.